The group health insurance is for corporate. Companies can buy this policy. They can buy this policy for employees and non-employees, that is family members of the employee. Who can be covered under this policy? The prime insured, that is employee of the company, and spouse of the employee, dependent children, the parents, and parent-in-laws. This policy can be taken either individual, if the only employee is covered, they can take as individual, and also on floater basis for all the family members like this. Or we can select the family member only spouse with employee, and spouse, employee, and dependent children, or else we can include parent also, or else we can include parent-in-law also. The age limit is can be customized after the negotiation. If the sum insured can be 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 3 lakh or 4 lakhs, even 5 lakh or more than that with a multiple of 50,000 rupees can be taken as sum insured. The hospitals, generally the insurance companies used to have the network hospitals. Anytime you can show the ID card and you can avail the treatment. Agreed network hospitals and other hospitals having 10 beds in one location and 15 beds in other locations. If the population is 1 million, then that type of hospital should have 10 beds. And other locations, 15 beds should be there. In that hospital, round the clock qualified medical practitioner doctors and nursing staff should be employed. They should have the operation theatre. They also the patient. What are all the things expenses covered under this group health insurance means? What are all covered under this group health insurance means the room rent, the expenses of the room rent, and the nursing expenses, operation theatre charges and ICU charges, doctor and specialist fees, diagnostic expenses, medicines, drugs, and consumables. These are all covered in death policy. Ambulance charges are available, they can claim under this policy. Much important is pre and post hospitalization expenses. That means if a patient is taking treatment by today they have admitted into the hospital and they are there for 7 days, and before few days of the admission and after few days of the admission can be claimed. There is consulting fees and diagnostic expenses, medicine and drugs expenses can be claimed under pre and post hospitalization expenses. Daycare procedures are covered under this policy. Usually, the patient have to admit for 24 hours or more to claim the medical expenses. But for the daycare procedures, if the admission is less than 24 hours, the claim can be availed from this policy. Sorry, if the rooms are not available at hospitals, The condition of the patient is so bad that she or he cannot be moved to the hospital, and if treatment done at home for more than 3 days, then the domiciliary expenses can be claimed. In this policy, 30 days waiting period is waived off, 1 year exclusion is not there, and 2 year exclusion is not there. All these things are waived off, and also they can claim the pre-existing disease from day one. This one cannot be claimed under the individual policies. If employee is covered under the group health insurance, the employee is covered under group health insurance, then they can go for the treatment of pre-existing diseases. Cover for maternity and maternity waiting period is waived off. Newborn baby cover is from day one. How much cover is available? Individual limit can be decided by the corporate. Corporate can decide the individual covers, how much they can take, and they can specify or limit for each person. They can take universally same or each for against each name. They can specifically state the required insurance. Under this policy, there is no medical exam needed. Medical exam is not required to get the insurance policy. Thank you for listening. Listening. And if you having any, or if you need any doubts or clarifications, please call to the number visible in the screen. Subscribe to our channel so that we will be uploading new videos so that you can get the information.